Welcome, viewers, and introduce the topic. Want to make money using AI-generated designs? Canva and Figma now have powerful AI tools that can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. Explain the importance of AI in modern design and how it has revolutionized the industry. Give a brief overview of Canva and Figma's AI-powered features and their potential for monetization. 1. Understanding AI in Canva and Figma. Explain how Canva's AI-powered magic design works for generating social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. Discuss Figma's AI Design Assist and how it helps with UI/UX, web design, and branding. Showcase examples of AI-generated designs. 2. Monetization strategies. Selling pre-made templates. Create unique Canva and Figma templates, social media posts, resumes, business cards, etc. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Optimize listings with SEO-friendly descriptions and attractive thumbnails. Freelance services? Offer AI-enhanced designs on Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs. Provide branding kits, ad creatives, and marketing materials. Print-on-demand business. Use AI to generate t-shirt designs, posters, and digital art. Sell them on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. 3. Advanced AI design strategies. Custom AI artwork for clients. Use AI to create unique social media packs for businesses. Offer AI-powered presentations and pitch decks for startups. Subscription-based services. Create a membership site where users get exclusive AI-generated design assets. Provide ongoing AI-enhanced branding services for clients. Automation and scaling. Use AI automation tools to batch generate designs. Scale up by outsourcing non-AI tasks to virtual assistants. 4. Marketing your AI-generated designs. Leverage social media platforms. Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok to showcase designs. Use YouTube tutorials to drive traffic to your AI-generated design shop. Collaborate with influencers who need quick, high-quality visuals. Conclusion and call to action. Recap key takeaways. AI can help you design faster, better, and make money online. Encourage viewers to start experimenting with AI tools today. Call to action. Subscribe for more AI business tips and comment below with your favorite AI tool.